Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the USB-C source supports DisplayPort Alt mode. This is essential. Once verified, open the USB-C plug and identify CC1/CC2 and superspeed pairs so you can route signals to the converter board. Meanwhile, strip the HDMI cable end carefully, preserving the shield and twisted pairs. Make sure the converter board matches HDMI wiring and power requirements. From here, solder ground and power first to the board so you have a stable reference before handling high-speed lanes. Now you wire the high-speed lanes. Route the USB-C superspeed pairs into the converter TX inputs, keeping traces short and impedance consistent. This reduces reflections and signal loss. Make sure CC pins are set with correct resistors so the sync correctly negotiates alt mode and power roll. Once the converter is powered, solder the converter's HDMI outputs to the HDMI connector, preserving twisted pair order and shield continuity. Double-check for cold joints and stray solder bridging delicate pads. Finish assembly by securing shields and heat-shrinking stressed areas. You want reliable mechanical strain relief. Power the converter and test with a known working display at low resolution to ensure basic signaling. Once stable, increase to native resolution. If you see no image, make sure USB-C alt mode is active on the host, remeasure CC resistor values, and inspect high-speed lanes for shorts or opens. If problems persist, replace the active converter board. This is usually the single point of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.